Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. That's my full name. My name, middle initial family name, Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, to those who did not download yet in your Android cell phone, you can find this in Google Play Store and Apple Store. For those who have Apple phone, go to Apple Store. Then for those who are not using Apple phone, you can go directly to the app Google Play Store. Okay. By the way, I will like to inform to all viewers I will be using two languages, English and Tagalog. Okay. By the way, this video is for the couples who just celebrate their, I think, 20th wedding anniversary, and they have two children. And I'm referring to Julius and Christine, known as Tintin Bersola Babaw. Yes, both of you. This video is for you actually. By the way, may purpose po itong video na ito at hindi ako mag-upload ng video kung walang purpose. Bakit couples? Ano ang purpose itong video na ito? Okay. By the way, I would like to congratulate both of you. Ang dami niyong subscribers. Iba yung viewers. Iba yung viewers. Na-shock ako. Umabot ng more than 1 million viewers. Iba pa yung subscribers. By the way, anong purpose itong video na ito? Bakit ko ginawa? Para saan itong video na ito? As a couples, both of you. Okay. Since you have each YouTube account, meron po kong habilin. Ang ibig sabihin habilin yung kasi marami nagsasuggest, then sabi ko, sige, ako lang gagawa ng video. Yung mga subscribe sa akin, tsaka yung mga viewers, subscribers mo rin sa YouTube, mayroon silang suggestion. Dahil marami kayong tinulungan na mga present at mga dating artista, nagsuggest ng mga viewers na what if kung kayo as a couples, Sir Julius and Ma'am Tintin Babaw, ay what if kung magtayo kayo ng foundation? Itong foundation na ito, ang gusto nila, ewan ko kung ang isip nila yung narinig ko yata, Jultin Foundation or Julius and Tintin Babaw Foundation. Yung bang isang klaseng charity foundation na nakakatulong kaya sa artista or sa mga hindi artista na tumama ng calamities. Ang point ko dito sa video nito ay magtayo kayo ng sariling foundation, private foundation, para siyang non-government organization or charity institution that helps the community bukod sa artista dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi napansin ko yung mga past few videos, marami na kayo na interview at marami kayo natulungan sa mga viewers. Kasi nakita ko malaking impact itong ginawa ninyong videos at hindi ko akalain na umabot kayo ng more than 1 million viewers. Viewers, hiwalay pa ang subscribers. So I was thinking, gawa lang ako ng video para sa inyo as a couples. What if kung magtayo lang kayo ng foundation? Charity foundation, it's a private charity foundation na nakakatulong kayo sa mga artista or mga dating artista na wala na silang hanap buhay or natamaan ng kalamidad or 42 event. Hindi yung bang isang klaseng event na hindi ini-expect kung ano mangyari. Unexpected events. Kaya ko sinabi 42 events. Yung word na yan, nakita ko yan sa Law of Obligation and Contract. So, yun. By the way, itong video na ito is just only an suggestion by your viewers and subscribers. So, sabi ko, sige, ako lang gagawa ng video para sa inyo as a couples. Kasi itong video na to may purpose. Hindi ako gagawa ng video kung walang purpose. Kasi marami nagsasuggest, sabi ko, sige, ako lang gagawa ng video kasi kung Charity Foundation kasi marami kayong natutulungan. So, ang point dito, itong video na ito, labas ito sa mga TV station. Ibig sabihin kayo mismo. Kayo as a couples. Kasi isipin nyo, naka-interview ka ng maraming artist. Just imagine, how many videos did you interview, uploaded? Oh. So, marami kayong natulungan. Kasi, media. Kasi when you say media, you're dealing with public viewers. So, once there's a public viewer, so, meron kayong last word na, please subscribe and get the notification notice. Oh. So, doon pa lang sa dalawa, may impact na. So, yun. I hope Sir Julius and Ma'am Tintin, this video will reach this video, both of you, kasi marami na nagsasuggest na magtayo kayo ng private, kasi hindi to government, private charity foundation. Ibig sabihin kung whatever happens, ang foundation na yan sa mga tinulungan yung artista or hindi mga artista or nagkaroon ng halimbawa typhoon, continue pa rin siya lifetime. Still exists. So, that's it. Because that foundation is a blessing lifetime. I'm gonna tell you. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.